I am Daisy. I am 55 years old. I am not married, but I have a daughter. She is 30 years old and she is banking. She is the best daughter of the world. My mother, father, and two brothers are died. I have two sisters. My sister Denise has two daughters and two granddaughters. My sister Dilma has two daughters too. The things I like are to eat, to drink, to sleep, and to travel. Can you pay my travel to USA? Please, please.